How to hide photos in the Photos app on your iPhone. If you want to keep certain photos out of your main photo library, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Next, find and open the photo you want to hide. Now, tap the More button in the top right corner. From the menu, tap Hide. Tap Hide Photo to confirm. The photo will be removed from your main library and moved to the hidden album. To view it later, go back to the Photos app, scroll down to Utilities, then tap Hidden. You may need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to open it. If you ever want to restore the photo, open it from the hidden album, tap the More button, and select Unhide. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.